It is water, that means pani. It has no color of its own, and the very pure water is applicable for our drinking. Without it, no man can survive in this selfish or worldly world. So the very pure water is an important aspect for our life. And the very color tea. This color tea means rongsa. It also contains caffeine. This substance is important for us for making ourselves refresh, for keeping ourselves refreshed and so greeny atmosphere. And then another is the very banana, that means cola. It also contains the very fatty something so useful, for so helpful and so arranging and so adorable. This also indicates the very conjugal something, so we have to eat a lot of banana. So banana is so important in our life. And the very next one is the jackfruit. This jackfruit is to be called the very national fruit of Bangladesh. It is so delicious and so tasty, and it also contains fatty something, and it may be the very mineral something. This is amra, that means the very amra. The very vitamin C is totally being contained here. So for fulfilling our the very lack of vitamin C, we have to eat this amra. This is forest, that means bone. So there are also a lot of trees here for protecting any country's the very atmosphere. Any country needs actually the very 25% forest area actually, and so for fulfilling this assumption, we have to plant a lot of trees here and there. And before cutting any trees, we have to at the very first time plant another tree instead of the very cutting tree. And this forest also indicates the very Sundarban, and this Sundarbans is to be called the very fushfush of Bangladesh, and the very local people and the very area and the very people of the very surroundings of this Sundarban actually. So for protecting us from this natural calamity, we have to plant more and more trees. And this is tiger, the very national animal of Bangladesh. It is so ferocious and so attacking and so speedy actually. And this may be found in Sundarban of Bangladesh. There amloki, that means amloki or amloki. They are so useful in our life because this also prevents a lot of fatal diseases, heart attack, high pressure, blood and brain stroke, and the very cancer. These amloki are totally used for keeping our hair cool, fresh and black. And for strengthening our hair, we have to eat a lot of amloki actually. Every day we have to eat 20 grams of amloki, and it is used as the very natural cure for our various diseases, and it is used as the very antidote also. So this amloki also increase the very sight of our eye. So, and this amloki also contain vitamin C or vitamin C. And These also contain a lot of nutrition and it is nutritious.